Yes, hello everyone. Good morning. Kakagising lang na po natin. And ayun, today is the first day of the hashtag Wait No More 21-Day Challenge with our UGC team, Elaine. And I'm so excited to all our challengers. I was once a finisher in batch 4 and today it's already batch 6. And good morning everyone. Hello. I just woke up and I'm really excited for all the challengers ng ating 21-day Wait No More. Dapat kahalabi ako mag-weigh but I decided to wait today kasi I feel like I'll be achieving my ideal weight. So again, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Coach Ruby. I was once a 21-day Wait No More challenger way back. Grabe, akala mo ang layo-layo, no? Last March to April, batch number 4. I met UGC through Coach Robin last March 19, and since then I started using UGC Korean Coffee Blend. Today is my 88th day. So yesterday, yung last ko na coffee, that was 87th day, and today 88th day. And I really feel like I'll be achieving my ideal weight. I am 4'10". Unfortunately, and I thought, as in, nung nag-weigh pa kami, grabe measure, kunin ko yung ano ko, ang tape ko. Kasi akala ko talaga yung 4'11". Then I had this tape. This is my personal tape which I use at work. And tapos measure ko na 4'10". So, ayun, akala ko I'm already on my ideal weight. But if I was 4'11", but since I'm 4'10", overweight ako. Ano bang sinasabi ko? Kakagising na talaga. Ayun. Oh, bakit? Manong putot ako na 4 a.m. 1. Paano hindi ako kabalo? 3 feet, 4 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Confirm. 10.5, 4'11". Kuya! Wala! Oh! Grabe. So, kung 4'11" ako before, I okay na sa weight ko. But since I realized, I discovered that I was only 4'10", overweight ako. I should achieve 99 pounds. And there, no, 4'11", ako nga 4'10", ako last time But anyway, Philippine standard na ratio, 4'11", still 99. And yeah, I started with 114.4 pounds. And now, once again, this is my 88th day after my 87th day with coffee. Let's weigh ourselves. I weigh myself every morning pagkagising, empty stomach. Para at least makuha natin yung exact weight natin. Kasi pag mamayang gabi, it will also cover the weight of all the food that you will be eating the whole day. So, I'll be true to you. Pag after mo siya actually, you drink water, you'll be gaining around 0.8 pounds. If you eat, you'll be gaining around 2 pounds. If you'll go to the CR, after mo yan, you'll be losing about 1 to 2 pounds. So, at least, empty stomach every morning with your basis. Okay, so join me. Okay, let's do this. This is me, front view. This is me, side view. This is me, back. And this is another side view. Okay. 0, 0.
challenge last March 21 and it ended in last April 11. I had 114.4 down to 106.4. So I lost 8 pounds in 1 month. I drank, of course, our UGC premium coffee blend. Then, during my first week, I just observed first using my own personal diet. Then, on the second week, I started following the meal plan that they suggested to us until the third week. Then, starting April 11, going up to this day, yun, I had my stomach adjust, of course, from small frequent meals, which was suggested to us, then back to my regular diet now. And this past month, starting June, alam nyo naman, it was my birthday. So kainan tayo. Then it started to rain. Wala na po akong walking. The only exercise I do consistently is to walk every day. So target ko is 7,500 steps per day. But unfortunately, minsan, pag busy sa work, hindi nakakapaglakad. And ngayon, for the past 2 weeks, wala po tayong walking because it started to rain. And see, I still lost 5 pounds since we ended our 21-day challenge. So that's 101.2 and I am 2 pounds. 2 pounds closer to be exact. That's 1.2 pounds closer. 1.3 pounds closer. Baka kakagising mo talaga. Hindi na marunong mag-compute. 1.3 pounds closer to our ideal weight, which is 99 pounds. So 99.9 actually. There. So thank you so much for watching this video. I should be doing some live today, this morning. Unfortunately, hindi maganda yung signal namin dito. So I just shot this video and I hope you get to see this. And to all the challengers, good luck, enjoy the journey. That would be your 21 day. Bakit 21? Kasi you develop a habit in 21 days. So after 21 days, I hope you'll be carrying with you all the learnings in this journey and have a healthier lifestyle.